Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set a username in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner if you're using Android. Tap Settings. Next, tap on your profile at the top. If the username feature is available for your account, you'll see a username option. Tap it. Now tap on Create Username. Now, enter the username you want. WhatsApp will automatically check if it's available. If the username is already taken, try adding numbers or changing a few letters. Once you find an available username, tap Save or Done to confirm. That's it. Your WhatsApp username is now set, making it easier for others to connect with you without sharing your phone number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.